Hi, welcome back. So lately I have been seeing AI tools everywhere. So I decided to test them myself. I took three popular AI tools, ChatGPT, Claude, and Canva AI, and gave them the exact same prompt. So let's see what happens. So I will be designing three different things using three AIs. First is flyer design, second one is Instagram ad, and third is logo design. So this is the prompt I gave to all three AIs. Let's see what happens. So these are the results generated by all three of them. So let me download these and bring them side by side. Let's compare. So I think none of these three actually designed like a real designer, but ChatGPT came the closest. And Canva did give me three different design options, but they are not really ready. One thing I do like about Canva, I can edit everything directly there. Let's move to round 2, Instagram post design. So again, I am giving the same prompt to all of these three. Okay, they are thinking. But no. They all three are thinking. ChatGPT is processing still. Claude has started giving some results. Canva is again generating four different options. Okay, ChatGPT has given me two different design options. So let me download the results and compare. So let me bring them side by side. So Canva has given me four different options. I will download one design. So these are the three results I got from three AIs. I still don't know what Claude has made and Canva as well. But I feel ChatGPT has did a nice job here, and also it was the fastest. So now round 3, logo design. So again I am pasting the same prompt in all the three AIs. Now let's see results to be get from all of them. Let's wait. They all three are thinking. Claude has started giving some kind of results. Canva again has generated three different options. This time Claude has also given me the logo in different backgrounds. So let me download them again so we can compare. ChatGPT is still thinking. Okay, I have brought all three of them here. Now let's compare. So these are the results I got from all three. Again, I don't know what Claude is designing. I mean, it looks like a diagram that I made during studying botany. So I feel like ChatGPT and Canva had it better here. What do you all think? Who is the winner? But honestly, I feel like they can create visuals, but they don't really understand human emotions or what a client actually needs. So, like they design, but they don't feel. So, yeah, AI is helpful, no doubt. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to test more tools like this. Tell me in the comments who actually won this. So, bye bye.